So I bought this beautiful Audi A4 2013 Premium Plus package with 140,739 miles back in 2018. In this short video, I'm gonna give you the cost maintenance of this car in the span of 5 years. In the next video, I'm gonna give you the details of the breakdown, but for this video, I'm just gonna give you the sum I paid for the parts and labor. So the price of this car was $8,015 in Ohio. Then I had to change it to Pennsylvania because I live in Pennsylvania. So I paid $560 for sales tax and fees, $95. That's total $655, added up to $8,015. So the total cost of this car was $8,670 in PA. And we're going to start with the most recent expenditures on this car. I fixed AC and oil leak for $515, brakes and rotors with the labor included $503, starter replacement, coolant reseal and house change $386, coolant change, fuel leak fix $309, tires $403, tire installation $52, oil change $165 for each oil change on every 10,000 miles. Alternator $175 since I changed it by myself. I didn't pay anything for it. For the labor, a new water pump coolant $195 that my dad changed for me. And then I paid $300 for the springs and two front brake pads and rotors, $400 with the labor including one spring, oil leak, torn ring between transmission and engine, $600, coil and sparks, $195, engine valve replacement, $1,300 with parts and labor, floor mat, $125, spare kit, $75, high and low pressure sensors, $90, engine diagnostics $175 and light bulbs for $100, fender liner $50, air filters $60, oil fill-ups $400. So the car before it was totaled, it had 193,215 miles. So the total money I spent on this car is $15,738, and total I spent on the maintenance is $7,068. I drove the car for 52,476 miles. Please watch the next video as I'm going to post a detailed information of each cost. Thank you.